I've decided I'm taking the day off work, and now I've got an action-packed day ahead. So I plan on getting a few of the bikes out for a ride today. Not only that, we got to head to one of the boys' places and button up a Panhead that's been in the build for a few years. There's a big event on this weekend, so we need to get it done for that. Not only that, we've got a club meeting to discuss an upcoming event. But first of all, I'm going to pull out one of the bikes. The sun's out, so we're going to head through the mountains. I don't know where we're going yet or what bike we're taking, but stick around and hope you enjoy. Now, I'm not off to a good start here, but as you can see, I ended up pulling the Sporty out. And what I wanted to do today was try and knock out 100 kilometers, and that is to hit a pub for lunch, grab a beer, maybe a swimming hole, check out some good scenery. And that's pretty much, that'll take up an hour or two. We've hit our first roadblock. Not only did I miss the turn because I'm not using any sat nav or anything, so I've just come back and there's a sign that says stop, wrong way, your Google map is wrong. So what I tried to find was a pub or bar called the Handlebar. Now what I just discovered is I'm at the bottom of Stromblo, and I'm not a big mountain bike guy, but this place is like a massive mountain bike mountain. Basically, I've heard about it, but I've only just found it now exploring. Now at the top there's all this NASA shit, but there's a bar here somewhere up in the mountain. I don't think we're going to find it today, but that's all good because we are currently on Cotter Road. Now this is basically where all the Canberra locals hit. I guess you could call it the local racetrack. Lots of good twisties, water holes, scenery. So I'm going to kick the bike back in the guts and get going. This is somewhere that I've wanted to hit for a while now, and I think it's called Casuarina Sands or Casuarina Pool. And that's one of the good things about Canberra. Everyone says when you move from the coast, oh, you're going to miss the beach. But there is absolutely no shortage of water holes, literally 10 minutes just out of the city. And 9 times out of the 10, they are completely empty. It's even got sand here. It's like a beach with no waves. This is nice. Sun's fully come out now. It's a little bit dark this morning. Looks like they've dumped a whole heap of sand. Make all the coasties feel at home, I guess. Now, because it's so big, it looks super still at the moment, but you can probably pick it up on the mic. There's rapids probably about 50 meters down there, so it's running. We've had a whole heap of rain lately. That's why it looks like something out of Willy Wonka. Super brown at the moment, and not all that tempting. So I think I'll pass on this one. Wait for it to clear up a bit. Put it back on the to-do list for another day. Now from here, we're gonna jump back on Cotter Road, and there's maybe 20, 30 kilometers of twisties all the way down to Thalwa. Now there's a few campgrounds there that I've wanted to check out for a while now. So I think today will be the best opportunity to do it. So let's get back on the road. Just pulled over to change camera angles, and check this out. It is so quiet besides a few birds in the background, but right now I'm on Cotter Road, somewhere in between Canberra and Thalwa. I'm only maybe 10-15 minutes out of the city. This is insane. That might be a thumbnail while I'm at it. It'll almost be rude of me not to get a photo right now. Ooh! You're joking. You're joking. How good is this? You're joking. it doesn't matter where I pull over here. We've had so much rain lately that everywhere is just so green and beautiful all through these hills. But I've just turned I've turned right at Thawa. I think it's off Cotter Road maybe. And I know there's some campgrounds around here somewhere. So hopefully I've got some service and I can try and find where I am. All right, so there's actually quite a fair bit around here. So currently I'm on Nass Road. So I'm gonna head down to Thawa Sandwash, see what that's about. And there's also a visitor centre here. And then further south is a whole lot more camping, which I don't think we'll have time for today, as it is currently 3 o'clock. And I've got to get back and start wrenching with the boys. So we might kick on for a little bit more as the weather's absolutely perfect, and see what we find. Man, some of those roads are unreal. You can tell that we've had a whole heap of rain lately because those mountains are just so green right now. It looks like a friggin' scene out of The Sound of Music. Is that what it is? I don't know. But on the subject of good scenery, I've just received a few comments on one of our last videos. Bro, need to start a subscriber group, rides too. You get a good turnout. Now, back in Shire Harbour, I did host rides every month. But since I've been here in Canberra, there's been so much going on, so many events already in place that I haven't felt the need to put rides on. But if that is something you guys are interested in, let me know in the comments. So shout out to you, Shane Staff and Dilly Dean on YouTube. But I've just returned home. I'm going to park up the Sporty, pull out one of the other bikes. I've got to go to one of the boys and get wrenching on one of the bikes for this weekend's event. And then from there, I'm off to the club meeting. So I've got to head inside, grab a few things, and let's pull out one of the other bikes. No surprises, I'm taking the land yacht now. I finally got the bike back on the road after a few hurdles getting it registered, but she's finally good to go. So time to kick off and let's get working on this bike. Mad. What do you think, Con? This is the first time you've seen it.
Put the boys
Love it, mate.
next to this and show them.
You only fit like one of them in the shed.
The boys have just seen the Love Boat for the first time, and the thing with this bike is the longer you look at it, the more shit you see. So reverse, speakers, it's got a built-in air compressor to pump the tyres up. It just does not end.
Did you tighten up that bolt?
Yeah.
Chains on here, on the kicker, on the brake.
Ah. Got a bit done since last time.
Yeah, you got heaps done.
Trap who just put cane, did the clutch rode yesterday.
Chains on.
Chains are on.
Chains are on.
Man, you've been busy.
Seats tomorrow.
You do a lot.
Fuels tomorrow. Yeah, I do a lot with you guys.
Yeah, you do a lot when we're not here. I found one of them at work today.
I noticed that when we come around, we just smash beers and eat good food and talk a lot of shit.
Off YouTube because I was in a G-Bang.
Tell us what happened, Con.
naked, mate. That's fucking how shit YouTube is. Oh, I should say that. He might get taken down again, Phil. He fucking, yeah, they took his video down because I was in a fucking G-Banger having fun with me mates and that. So you can put shit on like just some fat dude who's fucking like fat in a G-Banger, they take it off. It's fucking outrageous, so. I almost fucking, and like, what, you can't fight the powder. I almost like put something on and I got flagged. I'm like, ah, now I'm in the
He tried to reshare it and he got flagged.
Yeah, I got flagged. Now I'm in the fucking red. So I was fucking bloody nuts.
I'm on a 3-month good behaviour bond now.
He's on a behaviour bond because of me. Isn't that ridiculous?
Too sexy, Con. Yeah. What are you working on, Cons?
I was putting a bit of bling on here, on Alice.
Oh,
a little
mate.
bit of chain for Benny, mate. A little bit of chain.
It's looking good.
So we're over here. I've got my glasses on. We're getting serious. I wish we could see a bit better, eh?
Mate, this is show ready. What do we got? 3 days left?
Nah.
2 days.
2.
Tomorrow.
Jesus.
Tomorrow, essentially.
Yeah, tomorrow, really.
Those bars, eh?
Sheesh.
Where else can we put a chain?
Don't tempt me. I can put chain anywhere.
I used to just have chains hanging out the back of it, sparkling on the ground. Bing,
Scrape
bing,
chain.
bing. Yeah, scrape chain. It's fucking on in here. You got a fan, Benny?
Oh, how's that Japanese engineering?
Is that reverse? Just that lever?
See you, brother.
See you, Phil.
Catch your buzz. Just rocked up a little late to the club meeting, but let's go see what's going on. I've just returned home from the club meeting now, and when I say club meeting, that is a veteran and vintage club of ACT, which I have all of my bikes registered with now. An absolutely massive turnout. Probably over 100 or so people rocked up tonight, which is super awesome. It's a super active club. But that aside, what a massive day. Heaps of riding, got to see the boys. Didn't get as much done on Benny Chop's bike as we hoped. He's still waiting on a bunch of parts, but that'll be on show this weekend, and I'll definitely have it back on the channel after this weekend when it's all buttoned up, finished, ready to roll. He's going to put a start party on soon, so I'm super keen for that. But thank you again, everyone, for watching. And if you did enjoy this episode, or if you are new here, consider subscribing because you've probably missed about 100 or so videos. But I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.